Rowlands Metalworks has made sheet metal products for over 60 years. We manufacture product in steel, stainless steel and aluminium for industries such as health, transport, food service and the defence sector, and we have experience in exporting our products around the world. What sets us apart is that we passionately believe in flexibility and nimbleness. This flows through to the customer experience, and similarly it reflects in the equipment that we've purchased to keep ourselves abreast of global trends in sheet metal manufacturing. To be an industry leader, we need to constantly evaluate a better way to produce our products. We recently introduced our SolidWorks 3D environment, and we see that as being the perfect dovetail into the Virtual Shipyard program. The opportunity to participate in a project where the drawing and data is live is very exciting to us. We will be able to take data consistent with all other manufacturers directly through to our machines, which are capable of reading 3D drawings. This leads to greater efficiencies in manufacturing, quicker production times, and takes away the opportunity for risk.